Hello, friend. Today I'm talking about where to buy Ted's Woodworking plans, and you can buy them by clicking the affiliate link in the description. And so go ahead and click that link whenever you're ready to buy. But real quick, here's my review. And woodworking is becoming more and more popular these days. People are starting to realize that working with their hands and creating functional products they could use is a very satisfying endeavor. It's a productive hobby that helps to relieve stress. If you are skilled, you can even sell your handiwork and make a healthy side income. That said, one of the biggest obstacles to woodworking is finding plans that you can use. Most plans either lack detail or require too much work/experience to create the product, or there's not much variety to choose from. Over the past few years, one woodworking guide has become a bestseller with thousands of copies sold every year. Created by an expert woodworker, Ted McGrath has put together a collection of plans that's so huge and has so much variety that it has to be seen to be believed. It has just every plan you could think of. With tons of satisfied customers, there's no arguing about the quality of the product. But let's look at it in greater detail. The good points. The first thing that makes you sit up and take notice is the sheer size of the collection. There's over 15,000 woodworking plans in this product. That probably makes it one of the best and most in-depth woodworking guides on the planet. Since it's in digital format, the book doesn't take up any space other than some memory on your hard drive. Just about any woodworker will be able to find a plan they can work on, regardless of skill level. The collection has a high resolution plans for added clarity. You'll not need a microscope to make sense of the plans. One of the strongest selling points of Ted's woodworking plans is that they are laid out in a simple, easy to follow manner. There's no complex terminology or confusing explanations here. It's all in simple English that most people will understand. Besides the 15,000 plans, there are 150 instructional videos for you to watch. That's fantastic. It'll make learning much easier and you'll become a proficient woodworker. For those who are new to woodworking, Ted has included a 200-page foundational woodworking manual that covers the basics and also shares the finer points so that you can understand the nuances of this art. The package also includes a DWG CAD file viewer and 3D modeling software so that you can see your end product will resemble. If you like what you see, you can embark on the project. These useful tools will save you time, money, and effort. There's no point in working on a project that you don't like how it turns out in the end. Just when you thought it couldn't get any better, it does. Ted's Woodworking Plans is covered by a no questions asked 60-day money back guarantee. If you don't like the plans for any reason, you can always ask for a refund. There's no risk here. The bad points. Weighing in at 15,000 plans, there's no denying that this book can be intimidating and overwhelming to the beginner. They may suffer from paralysis by analysis. With so many plans, which do you choose? The best way to overcome this will be to pick a woodworking plan that's suitable for your skill level and which interests you, and then start on it. The plans could have been categorized better. Since it's a huge collection, this might be a formidable task. Nevertheless, you can still flip through the plans and see which projects interest you the most. You can only purchase and access this product online, so you'll need a credit card and a computer. Should you get it? This product is without a doubt one of the best woodworking guides on the planet. It's a huge collection that you'll constantly refer to, and use over and over again at such a low price. It's definitely value for money and a good investment. Any serious woodworker or hobbyist will find this book to be an invaluable resource. With easy to follow instructions and variety of plans, you'll be kept busy for a long time to come. The sense of satisfaction you'll get from creating something with your own hands is priceless. Get your copy today and start building your very own wood projects. And thanks so much for watching. And remember, just click the affiliate link in the description in order to purchase Teds Woodworking plans. And thanks so much for watching.